Hi, this video is about the Nova Seton back covers for rolling walkers, and we just added two new gorgeous styles to our collection. We've got butterflies. This is such a gorgeous print, these beautiful butterflies on this purple fabric. And then we've got garden flowers, also such a gorgeous, beautiful print. All right, so this material is so soft, it's got a quilted look to it. It's just so beautiful and comfortable and attaches to most rolling walkers. So we recommend putting it on a seat that is approximately 14 by 14, but there is elastic give here, so it may work on your seat that's a little smaller or a little bit bigger. So easy to attach. You just put it around your seat, just like that, and check out this gorgeous print. And then the back just attaches with the Velcro. So just put it around and Velcro it closed. All right, and look at that. We've just added so much style and distinction to your rolling walker. And the material is durable and also easy to clean. So we recommend washing it in cold and then letting it air dry. All right, there you go. Those are the two new styles to the seat and back covers of Nova rolling walkers.